Question 2. Mr. Teo filled a fish tank completely with 1,600 liters of water. Then he drained out the water. So he drained at a rate of 8 liters per minute. At 9:30 a.m., the fish tank was 1/4 full. So at what time did he start draining out the water? Okay, so the first thing you want to do if you want to find the time he started draining out the water is the amount of water drained, because we know the rate at which the water was drained and the volume that was left. So let's find a amount of water drained. So we can find the time it took to drain out that water. So since the fish tank was 1/4 full, means that 3/4 of the water in the fish tank was drained. And we know that the tank had 1,600 liters of water initially. So 3/4 times 1,600 gives us 1,200 liters. So this was the amount of water drained, and we know that the water was drained at a rate of 8 liters per minute. So let's find the time taken to drain. And this would be 1,200 liters divided by the rate, which is 8 liters per minute. And this gives us 150 minutes, which we can convert to hours and minutes, and this will give us 2 hours and 30 minutes. So we know that at 9:30 a.m., the fish tank was 1/4 full. So let's draw our timeline and work backwards. So at 9:30 a.m., she was finished. So let's go 2 hours back. And that would be 9 minus 2, which is 7:30. And 30 minutes backwards would be 7 a.m. So Mr. Teo started draining the water at 7 a.m. Now let's look at part B. At what time would the fish tank be completely empty? So the fish tank has 1/4 of water left. So let's find the exact amount of liters of water that is left. Amount of water left would be, we know that the amount of water drained is 1,200 liters. So 1,600 liters minus 1,200 liters gives us 400 liters. So there is 400 liters left to drain. So the time taken to drain the remaining amount would be 400 liters divided by the rate, which is 8 liters per minute. And this gives us 50 minutes. So we want to know the time at which the water is completely empty. So at 9:30 a.m., the fish tank was 1/4 full. So now we have to work forward. So 50 minutes later, the time would be 10:20 a.m. So at 10:20 a.m., the fish tank is empty. So that will be our final answer.